What's up, everybody? I'm Tommila. Welcome back to my channel. This is Films, and of course, this is where you go to learn about filming, photography, and artsy related stuff. Today, an awesome video for you. I'm going to show you how I personally edit all my hyperlapses and put them together to make them look all nice and smooth, just like this right here. So let's get to it. Once you've finished your shot, copy all your photos over to your hard drive as soon as you get home. I can't stress enough that get in the habit of doing that. To bring them into After Effects, go to File, go to Import, select the first image of your sequence, and make sure your importer is JPEG sequence is checked. Now, your photos will be imported as a single image sequence file. Now, if you want to change the frame rate of the file, simply select it in the project panel, go to File, Interrupt Footage, and go to Main. Once my file is imported, I'll create a new 1920 by 1080 30 frames per second comp and drag that image sequence file into the composition. Just as I planned, my file is large enough to go over at least 4 to 5 seconds in length. I'll scale it down to 57% and I'll give it a preview. Uh-oh, the preview doesn't look very stable. It looks terrible even. So even though I use the point of reference to line my shots, they can still be quite off. How can I fix this? Well, stabilize your footage. Your job is to make it perfectly stable. Sometimes it's not a simple task, and you can't just give up if the default settings of warp stabilizer fail. Of course, what you should do depends on your footage, but the two main things you can improve your results are delete tracking points on movable objects and then use stabilize motion feature. The first one is inside Warp Stabilizer menu and only in After Effects, not Premiere. Expand the Advanced tab, then check Show Track Points. The points should appear on the video. You can increase their size to see them clearly. Even if you check the option Delete Points Across Time, you should still see the delete points of every couple of frames. The Stabilize Motion feature is inside the tracker panel. You select the point of stabilization by yourself. Sometimes I'll do it before warp, sometimes after. The fact is, I'm really surprised how good the results are with this feature. To stabilize my shaky image sequence, I'll open up the Effects and Presets panel and search for the Warp Stabilizer VFX effect. Once I drag and drop the effect on my clip, it will automatically begin to analyze and stabilize my clip. This may take a few minutes or a few hours depending on your computer speed, so be patient. Check out the before and after clip of the stabilization. Still a little wobbly. All right, everybody, thanks so much for watching this video and taking the time out of your busy day and your schedule to watch. I really appreciate it. Remember to hit that like and that subscribe button, and for future videos, keep an eye on that, hit the notification bell. So anyway, I'm Tommila. Remember, photography is not about great depth of field, it's about great depth of feeling. See ya.